Well, it's certainly been a while since I put out a video. I apologize. I've had a ton going on personally with my family life, but also professionally. We've just been insanely busy on the job sites and we're struggling to stay on schedule. It's just been, if you're like me, you guys are just out straight busy. So apologize for that, but here I am today. I recently got a chance to review the Senco Framing Nailers. They're FN91T1, and I use it on a whole house remodel that we're doing. The new Senco nailer, it's a 30 to 34 degree pneumatic nailer, paper tape, capable of handling from 2 to 3.5 inch smooth, ring shank, and screw shank style nails, paper tape. Now, first impressions are always important, and to me this nailer is large, a little bit big, but it is a robust powerhouse weighing in around 8.39 pounds. And I like that this nailer is kind of an all-in-one full head nailer for me. And I use full head nails, round nails, and it gives me the versatility to do that whole range of style of nails. The first project we used it on was to install 3 sets of LVL large beams and headers. I was super impressed with the power of the nailer, how easily it sunk 16 penny nails into the LVL and PSL-engineered lumber. We further are using it on the remodel, and I found it to be well balanced. The magazine is large enough for 2 strips of nails. It easily manages between studs for toenailing. Another feature that I like was that the inline magazine allows for kind of an unobstructed line of sight for left and right users, which is a nice engineering. Senco, nice job. Setting the depth of drive for the nails settings is a breeze. It's a large ambidextrous aluminum knob at the top. Quickly and easily is going to allow you to set that depth of nail, even with wearing gloves. Let's say you're setting for plywood versus LVL or whatever you need to do. As far as acceptable 34 degree paper tape nails, you can do ring shank from 2 to 3.5, ring shank collated from 2 to 2 3/8, screw shank collated 3 inches, and smooth shank collated nails 2 to 3.5 inches. Toenailing, let's talk a little bit about that. It is a big nailer. The working end of this nailer has a super sharp and aggressive tip for toenailing, which solved a major frustration I've had with my older nailers where the top slides off the stud when you're trying to toenail. So this solves that problem. Even if it's a big nailer, it still works great. Rafter Hook is large rotatable aluminum hook, and it's on the right side of the tool. It easily fits over doubled materials and folds out of the way quickly. Senco put a dry fire lockout on this to reduce wear and tear on the nailer, but also to alert you that you're out of nails, it's time to reload. I've always liked that feature. I've hated when a nailer doesn't have that feature and you're just punching holes in wood. So how much and where are you going to buy this? The Senco nailer, it's going to sell online for about 300 bucks, somewhere around that range, and you can purchase it online at Acme Tools. I'll put a link below. My overall impression, first impressions and overall impressions. My first ever framing nailer 30 years ago was that Senco Framing Pro 600, I think it was. And then I moved on to a pass load framer. The Senco Framing Nailer, the FN91T1, it's a perfect framing and remodeling nail gun, a nailer. I don't like when you say nail gun. It's versatile. It can handle a variety of nails. It's powerful enough to handle today's engineered lumber, which we all need to be able to deal with. And we were just impressed with it. It's definitely found itself a home with our crew, and I highly recommend it. Guys, I'll see you around. We'll see you at the next video. Please, if you get the moment, just go down below, hit the thumbs up button, leave us a comment. Love hearing from you guys. I'll try to get back to you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell on the corner there, because when you do that, it helps with our rankings, but it also lets you know when we put out videos so you don't miss anything. I'm Rob Robles. We'll see you next time. Take care.